The Chana Star Truck 2014 with double cabin is a light commercial vehicle manufactured by Changan Automobile, a Chinese automotive company. The Chana Star Truck lineup is known for its reliability, versatility, and affordability, making it a popular choice for various business and commercial applications. The Chana Star Truck 2014 features a sturdy and robust design, emphasizing its functionality as a workhorse. It typically comes in a double cabin configuration, providing seating for both the driver and passenger. The truck's exterior design focuses on practicality with a spacious cargo bed at the rear for carrying goods and equipment. The Chana Star Truck 2014 is equipped with a range of engine options to suit different needs and preferences. These engines are typically fuel efficient and offer sufficient power for various applications. While specific details may vary depending on the variant and region, the truck commonly offers good torque and towing capabilities, making it suitable for transporting heavy loads. The interior of this car is designed to provide a comfortable driving experience for both the driver and passengers. The double cabin configuration allows for ample space and seating capacity, ensuring that occupants have enough room to sit comfortably during long journeys. The dashboard and controls are typically straightforward and ergonomically designed, making them easy to use. While the exact features and safety equipment may vary based on the trim level and region, commonly this car often includes standard amenities such as air conditioning, power steering, central locking, and electric windows. Safety features may include seat belts, dual front airbags, and anti-lock braking systems.